This is the Wolfang GA420, and there are two things about it that make it a unique budget 4K action camera. The first is the front-mounted selfie screen for better framing when pointing the camera at yourself. The second great feature is that the GA420 is waterproof even without the case. More about those features later, but first let's see what's included in the box. The Wolfang GA420 comes with a typical looking clear enclosure that's waterproof down to 40 meters. And it comes with a huge box of accessories that are useful for different situations. Included are 2 rechargeable batteries, 3 sets of mounting arms, a wireless remote, stick-on mounting plates, clip-on adapter, a wired clip-on microphone, tripod adapter, bike mount, and USB charging cable. Also included is a silicone cover to protect the lens when outside of the main case. With the remote, you can instantly start video recording with the white button, or snap a photo by pressing the red button. Controls are easily accessed with the 2 buttons on top of the case and a single button on the side. But the amazing thing is that the body of the GA420 is actually waterproof. Using the case provides 40 meters of protection, while the bare camera itself is waterproof down to 8 meters. This is equal to about 26 feet, perfect for most poolside or beach activities. On the side of the camera is a speaker, HDMI, and charging ports. To access the ports, press the black button and slide the door away from the camera. The same goes for the battery panel on the bottom. And even though there are 2 batteries included, they have to be charged one by one inside the camera itself. And I have to mention this while I'm here. It's really nice to see the 1/4-inch tripod mount on the bottom, something that's rarely seen on action cameras. When the Wolfang GA420 is first powered up, language, date, and time will need to be set up before it's ready for use. So let's take this outside and get some test shots. I hope the test shots give you an idea of the image quality you can expect. And what really helped me get those shots is the GA420's ability to connect to my smartphone through Wi-Fi. When the camera is synced to my phone, I can use it as a preview monitor and remote. Here's how to connect. First, download and install the iSmart DV2 app for iPhone or Android. Then, with the camera on, quick press the power button. This will activate the built-in Wi-Fi. And in a few seconds you'll see the camera ID and password on the screen. Now I'll go to my Bluetooth settings on my phone. When the name of the camera shows up, tap on it. Here, just enter the camera password and tap Join. Once the Wi-Fi connection has been established, launch the iSmart DV2 app. Here, tap Add New Camera. Then select Wi-Fi Connect. And very quickly, I can start using my phone as a preview monitor for the GA420. And I find this really helpful in a lot of situations. The iSmart DV2 app can also be used to view and transfer clips from the GA420 to my phone. This makes sharing clips super easy. The GA420 is Wolfang's top-of-the-line 4K action camera and priced at $170. But occasionally I do see it discounted on Amazon. But even at full price, it's a great value compared to the bigger brand name action cameras. And here are some final notes. To activate the front screen, press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds. Doing that again will toggle it back to the rear screen. And while I'm on the subject, the rear display is actually a touchscreen to help navigate through menus quicker. Oh, and by the way, the micro SD card goes in the battery compartment, and it can accommodate U3 cards from 32 to 128 gigabytes in size. This budget action camera has it all without draining your bank account. For me, clearly one of the best features is the ability to submerge the camera without having to use the waterproof case, making the Wolfang GA420 a great choice for active lifestyles. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.